Men, do you remember waking up in your 20s and 30s feeling confident and energized every morning? But now, after 40, those morning erections aren't as regular, or maybe they've disappeared completely. Does that sound like you? If so, you're not alone. And today, we're going to talk about why this happens and how you can fix it naturally. Morning erections, also called morning wood, are actually a natural sign of healthy blood flow, hormones, and nervous system function. When they start disappearing, it's a signal your body is sending you that something has changed. In this video, we'll cover the real reasons why this happens, what daily habits may be making it worse, and what you can do to restore confidence naturally. Question for you. Men, have you noticed this change in your 40s or 50s? Drop a simple yes in the comments or share how long it's been happening. You'll help other men realize they're not alone. So let's break this down. First reason is blood flow. Erections depend entirely on circulation. Over time, arteries can narrow due to cholesterol, smoking, lack of exercise, or even too much stress. When circulation slows, so does function in sensitive areas. The second reason is testosterone decline. Men's testosterone drops by about 1% per year after age 40. Lower testosterone affects energy, mood, muscle mass, and yes, morning erections. The third reason is stress and anxiety. Performance anxiety, work pressure, or financial stress all increase cortisol, the stress hormone, which lowers testosterone and reduces confidence. Fourth factor is lifestyle. Drinking too much alcohol, eating poorly, not sleeping well, and being sedentary all impact testosterone and circulation. Even certain medications, like those for blood pressure, can play a role. So what's the solution? Let's talk natural fixes. First, focus on exercise. Cardio like walking or cycling improves blood flow, while strength training builds muscle and boosts testosterone. Second, eat a nutrient-rich diet. Leafy greens, berries, fatty fish, nuts, and seeds all support circulation and hormone balance. Avoid processed foods and excess sugar, which damage arteries and lower testosterone. Third, get quality sleep. Testosterone is produced mostly at night during deep sleep. If you're getting less than 6 hours, your testosterone levels could drop by 10 to 15% in just a week. Fourth, manage stress. Daily relaxation, whether meditation, deep breathing, or hobbies, lowers cortisol and improves hormonal balance. And fifth, cut back on alcohol and smoking. Both directly affect circulation and nerve function. Question for you guys. Which of these habits do you struggle with most? Sleep, stress, exercise, or diet? Comment below and let's start a real conversation. So here's the bottom line. Morning wood disappearing after 40 is common, but it's not something you have to accept. With better circulation, healthier habits, and hormone-friendly routines, you can absolutely improve things naturally. To help you get started, I've created a free men's vitality and confidence guide with powerful natural tips. The link is in the description and pinned comment. And if you'd like extra support, I've also included a natural supplement resource that many men over 40 trust. Before you go, tell me in the comments, what's been your biggest challenge with energy and confidence after 40? Stress, sleep, or health? Your comments will help others know they're not alone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to grab the free guide, check the resource, and subscribe for more men's health content every week.